You want to be a smartass, motherfucker?
I'm confused.
Yeah, you're gonna get real confused fast.
Yeah.
On November 14th, 2023, at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport in Texas, officers responded to a theft of service complaint at a restaurant inside the concourse.
Hello. Hey, what's up, man?
And I don't know where. He's in the river.
Did someone keep an eye on him?
Yeah, our manager's with him.
The manager's over there?
Yeah.
Okay, did she have his tab?
I think so.
Okay. Oh, there you are. Hey,
Hey, it's me again.
what's going on?
He walked his tab and refuses to pay.
This guy here?
Yeah. Says he's a vet and I shouldn't be trying to get him to pay.
Hey, you didn't pay. Did you pay this, man?
Sorry about that.
Did you pay this?
Yep. Don't touch me.
Why don't you
please.
sit down for me, okay?
You got it.
You paid this.
Don't grab. Don't
Okay,
touch me.
sit down. Sit down. We're gonna figure this out. I need you to sit down.
Don't talk to me like I'm a little kid.
Okay, don't talk to me like I'm not a police officer. Okay, sit down. We're gonna get this figured out.
Let's figure it out.
All right, sit down. We'll figure it out.
Nope.
Okay,
Let's go.
All right. Edward 3, can you get over here? We're gonna be at Edward 17. Did you pay this?
Yep.
How'd you pay it?
Credit card.
Credit card. Is that true? No, it's not true. So, do you have a receipt that shows that you paid for it?
When they start a tab,
Okay.
they take a credit card
Okay.
inside.
So then they would have given you a receipt,
Excuse
right?
me, ma'am.
Well, actually, I'll step over. Did they give you a receipt?
I'm not here to.
Okay. Okay.
All this
Listen.
bullshit.
Listen.
We don't need to go through all this.
Okay.
dumb shit.
I'm being told that you didn't pay it, right? So it's my job to investigate this, right? Because it's a crime, right? It's theft of service.
It's not a crime.
It is. It's theft
I
of
paid.
service.
I prayed.
You prayed?
You want to be a smartass, motherfucker?
I'm confused.
Yeah, you're gonna get real confused fast.
Yeah. Is that did you threaten me or what is this? What is this? We trying to act big here?
Boy, I fucking man.
First class Delta 316 or off the board.
Small guy with the big guy syndrome.
Look, I'm just trying to make sure this person gets paid,
So
right?
I'm a Marine Corps
Okay. Thank you for service.
veteran. You don't know what I just came through.
Okay. That's
You
that's
have
none of
no
my business.
fucking clue.
That's none of my business. You need to calm down, man. I'm
I
trying
don't
to get
need
this.
to do shit.
I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so we can get this person paid.
Touch me and find out what fine.
Okay. All right. Edward 3, he's probably going to fight us. So
I've
be
got
Edward
the
17
receipt.
if we can get another officer over here. Where's the receipt? That's not the right receipt. Okay.
Give me a second.
He's pretty intoxicated. I'm gonna give him one more chance to pay it and go from there. Are y'all wanting to press charges if you didn't pay it?
The reason we're called is they said that you didn't pay
Yeah,
your bill.
just get away from me, okay?
I'll talk with you. Why are you refusing?
I asked you to get
I'm gonna back up my officer.
He's gotta be with me. It's just our policy.
Comfort Plus, you are
So why don't you want to pay your bill?
I'll pay my bill all day long.
Okay.
I got all the money in the world.
Right, I'm not saying you don't have the money or anything. They just said that you would refuse to pay it.
That's totally wrong.
Okay.
My goodness, I love paying.
I understand. You don't seem to be the type of guy who just runs out on bills. What do you?
I've got all the money. I
So what was?
no clue what her deal is. I really don't.
Okay. They said that you didn't pay the tab. Okay. So this is a yes or no. Are you going to pay the tab?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to use credit card or use cash?
What pisses me off is why. Look how embarrassing this is.
Nobody knows who we are, sir.
Oh, nobody.
Well, I mean, it's. Would you like to step over? I mean, but it's embarrassing. Does anybody know who we are?
SKY, you are welcome
It's
aboard.
ridiculous.
But you
I
gotta
got
pay-
money. I got all
It's
everything.
a $130 tab, man. That's why they're here. Okay. So that's a lot of money, right? Especially for a server that's working on tips. Okay. That's why that they're here talking to you. Okay.
When I already paid it, that's the issue. I already closed out.
And you told me you had a receipt for it, right?
Yep.
Can you show me that receipt?
Nope.
Okay. Then I have reason to believe that you did not pay
So I
for
get
it.
double charged.
Did you pay
You
cash
can-
or with a card?
I paid with the card.
You are welcome
Do you
aboard.
have like on your app? Like I can show on my app, like if I charge on my card, it would show me, and then we can get it cleared up and get out of your hair. Are you flying out somewhere today?
Yeah, I'm on old Montana boy.
Where you at from in
Am I,
Montana? Look it up. You said you paid it with a card. If you could show me that credit card receipt, I will tell them that they're mistaken and that you did pay it, but that would help alleviate everything if you could show me that credit card
Okay.
statement.
Early departure.
So there's TGI Fridays. TGI Fridays.
You got two for like $99. The charges.
Not TGF, right? It is
And then there's
taco and tequilas, and it's for $130.
You were at Taco Tequila.
Man.
Yep, absolutely.
So none of these are for taco and tequila. All right, look. TGI, Barley House. I don't know what that is. Those looks like HD Supply. I don't know what that is. Do you?
Yep, that's Dallas.
Okay. Skydiving Center. Another one, that same one. Tom Thumb.
Let's go back this way. That's not.
No, sir. You were
Taco
at you were at
Tequila.
Tacos and Tequilas.
Yeah, Taco
That's a
2.0.
completely different restaurant. It's for about $130.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Let's
It's
just go up there and clear it up.
misunderstanding.
I'm so sorry.
You're fine. Can we
So
get you
sorry.
to walk up there and we take care of that bill? And
Yep, absolutely.
all right.
Oh my goodness.
It's all right. It's all right.
Man,
Mistakes happen.
I'm so sorry.
When we bow up to each
But
other, it
when
just
that-
becomes a whole
but
nother thing.
Like somebody's running at
I
me
get it.
down.
I get it. I get it.
I go.
We figured it out. We figured it out. Can you grab your stuff and walk down there and get it paid for?
Yep.
To 31.
Maybe that's what's all fucked up.
What?
This is as far as I went.
No,
when
sir.
I ate and drank.
You came from this bar, Tacos and Tequilas.
I sat right at that bar.
You might have been there. Well, I know for a fact you were there before because you have 2 charges on your credit card. But I think you came to this place afterwards. The manager here and the bartender, or bartender, server said you were sitting there for a while.
Down there.
Okay. I'm Austin. Tell me your name so I can address
Been to
you.
war?
I have not.
Catch up when you have Austin.
Okay. Well, do you know where you're at right now? You know what airport you're at? Come, where you gonna pay this? Come on. Come on.
I'm at. Don't have me, Austin.
Relax, man.
Stop. Hey, hey, hey.
I'm at Dallas Fort Worth, Austin.
Stop. Put your backpack down for me. Put your backpack. You're talking about going to war. Stop.
Relax,
Stop.
dude. Relax.
Stop.
Yeah, relax.
I swear to God, you're gonna make a big old
Relax.
scene out of this. grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me.
Your incident has been updated.
Or at this time, please make sure that you have a boarding pass out and ready to scan. Thank you.
We're good. We just go with us.
Does
it count? Does it hurt?
I'm good. Just went over there for a second. Whose are these?
Case. Thank you.
Whatever the case.
Case.
Zone 225, welcome to Wireless Congress on tip flight 3986 with service into Philadelphia.
I'm a Marine Corps veteran that I know this.
Congratulations! Right now, that doesn't matter. Best thing for you, shut up.
I didn't fight.
If you're in the Marine Corps, your ass should know better. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go out. Closest one is 22. Excuse us.
Cheers. Just right down there. Get in. Left foot in.
There's three y'all here.
Come on, you got it. Get your butt in. There you go, get your feet in. Slide over.
I can tell it when I'm walking out.
I got this. You grab that. I'll plug it. That's it.
Yeah, it's landed on it. I'm fine.
No, if you're hurt, let us know. If it hurts now, do it, because that's one thing I've learned in military documents. So if it hurts, keep yours.
A Marine Corps veteran disputed the allegation that he had walked out on a $130 tab, insisting he had already paid and closed his bill. Under Texas Penal Code Section 31.04, theft of service applies when someone intentionally secures a service and avoids payment. A tab between $100 and $750 is a Class A misdemeanor, carrying up to 1 year in county jail. Once officers told the subject to stay on scene, a Fourth Amendment seizure began. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, from 1968, a brief investigative detention is lawful when officers have reasonable, articulable suspicion. A complaint from restaurant management met that threshold. The first officer did have legal authority to detain this man. What he did not have was any justification for what came next. Calling a subject a, quote, smartass, mid-investigation is not a command. It is a provocation, and it is the moment the encounter stopped being well handled. The International Association of Chiefs of Police De-escalation framework requires officers to use non-confrontational language before any use of force. Profanity directed at a suspect is a direct violation of that standard, and no outcome from that point forward is clean. The subject's verbal pushback, including profanity, is constitutionally protected. In City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, from 1987, the Supreme Court held that speech directed at law enforcement, even offensive speech, falls within First Amendment protection. When the subject tried to walk away, he crossed into legally dangerous territory. Texas Penal Code, Section 38.15, interference with public duties, applies when a person disrupts a peace officer during a lawful investigation. The subject's obligation to remain was real, regardless of whether the original allegation was accurate. The credit card review was the only thing in this encounter that actually moved toward a factual resolution. No charge matching tacos and tequilas appeared on the card at review time. That absence does not prove non-payment, but it is significant evidence that shifted the weight of the investigation. When the subject physically pulled away from officers, the legal framework shifted again. Texas Penal Code Section 38.03 makes it a Class A misdemeanor to resist a lawful detention. At that point, the officers had both the authority and the obligation to restrain him. The force used during the arrest, soft and hard, empty-hand control by multiple officers, appears proportional under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, from 1989. That standard requires force to be judged by what a reasonable officer would do given the facts at that specific moment. A theft of service prosecution here would face serious evidentiary challenges. Without point-of-sale records from the restaurant, the state's case rests on staff testimony alone, while the defense points to an absent card charge. That is a credibility contest, not an open and shut case. The first officer receives a C. The detention was legally grounded, backup was called appropriately, and no weapon was drawn. But the profanity was a genuine professional failure that directly caused the escalation. Good authority, poor judgment. The supervising officer receives a B+. He was patient, methodical, and pursued the right evidence. He offered the subject a clear path to resolution and demonstrated what the first officer's approach should have looked like from the beginning. The subject receives a C+. He may well have been telling the truth about the payment, but refusing a lawful detention, attempting to leave the scene, and physically resisting officers created legal exposure entirely separate from the original bill. That exposure was avoidable. This encounter holds real lessons, for officers and civilians alike. Here is what the footage actually teaches. Lesson 1. De-escalation is a legal and professional obligation, not a courtesy. The moment an officer shifts from commands to insults, the officer has become the escalation problem, and every use of force that follows becomes harder to legally defend. Lesson 2. A lawful detention is not optional. Reasonable suspicion gives officers the authority to require a person to stay. Walking away during an active investigation is a separate criminal offense under Texas law, independent of the original allegation. Lesson 3. Evidence is the only thing that resolves disputes at a scene. The shouting and posturing produced nothing. The credit card review produced a fact. In any encounter with law enforcement, facts are the only currency that matters. Lesson 4. Military service creates no legal exemption from a law enforcement investigation. Invoking veteran status does not alter officer authority or civilian obligations. It will not hold up in court, and making that argument on scene only adds unnecessary tension. Lesson 5. If you believe you are being wrongly detained, the correct response is to comply, document everything, and challenge it through the legal system. Physical resistance at the scene can produce additional charges that may outlast the original allegation entirely. If this breakdown was useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave the footage or legal topic you want covered next in the comments, and we will see you in the next one.